The first step begins with the peanuts arriving at the factory. These small but powerful peanuts are carefully selected and collected from all over the world. Huge machines wash the peanuts quickly and effectively, making them pure and clean. The roasted peanuts are sent to the grinding machines. At the final stage, the peanut butter is filled into sterilized jars and the lids are tightly closed. We will witness the incredible production process of the energy drink factory. Are you ready? It starts with mixing carefully selected ingredients. These ingredients include caffeine, taurine, glucuronolactone, and B vitamins. Once the mixture is complete, the filtration process begins. The mixture is filled into cans with high-speed filling machines. These machines can fill hundreds of boxes per minute. Isn't it incredible? Once the filling process is complete, the cans are carefully closed and labeled. Everything starts with quality wheat coming to the factory. Wheat is sent to mills to be turned into flour. Huge cylinders rotating at incredible speeds grind the wheat into fine flour. These flours are mixed with special formulas for different types of bread. When the flour enters the mixing machines, the magic begins. Water, yeast, and other ingredients are added, and the perfect dough is obtained. Huge kneading machines smooth the dough and let it rest. Where it all starts is when the cocoa beans arrive at the Cadbury factory. These beans are carefully selected from the highest quality cocoa farms in the world. When they arrive at the factory, cocoa beans are stored in large silos and cleaned first. The beans, cleared of foreign substances, are then taken into the roasting process. This is where the magic begins. Roasted cocoa beans are ground into cocoa mass. The mixture is made homogeneous in giant mixers. Finally, the chocolates are directed to the packaging machines. This fresh milk, which is the main ingredient of mozzarella cheese, is milked early in the morning and immediately brought to the factory. The milk that reaches the factory is pasteurized in huge stainless steel tanks. Pasteurized milk is combined with special rennet and bacterial cultures in large tanks. The cheese pieces are heated in hot water tanks and then stretched and made flexible by expert hands. Finally, the cheese is soaked in salt water and left to rest to enhance its flavor. Then, mozzarella cheeses are cut into different sizes and carefully packaged. The world's best cocoa beans, the freshest milk, and the most aromatic vanillas are brought together. These ingredients, mixed at an incredible speed, turn into a soft and smooth ice cream base. The ice cream, poured into special molds, is quickly frozen in state-of-the-art freezers. In these huge chocolate pools, the ice creams are sunk one by one. Finally, these excellent magnums are carefully packaged and distributed to stores around the world. Let's take a closer look at how this magnificent whiskey is produced and take a look at the details that will blow your mind in the process. This stage, where corn, barley, and rye are blended, is a marvel of engineering. Using huge machines and the latest technology, grains are ground and prepared for the fermentation process. At this point, even the smell of grain wafting through the factory can intoxicate you. We are moving on to the fermentation and fermentation phase. Once the aging process is completed, the whiskeys are meticulously bottled and delivered to whiskey lovers around the world. Butter production begins with bringing fresh milk from cows to the factory. This milk is subjected to pasteurization after being collected in huge tanks. Pasteurized milk is separated in centrifugal machines and turned into cream and skim milk. These machines are so powerful that they can process hundreds of liters of milk in minutes. When the churning process is finished, the butter particles are washed and removed from excess buttermilk. We have reached the final stage. The butter is molded and shaped into the desired shape by passing it through large rollers. Pickling ingredients are first washed well and then sorted according to their sizes. This process ensures that each pickle has the same taste and quality. Incredible cutting machines cut the vegetables into equal pieces within seconds. Once the vegetables are cut and the brine is prepared, it is time to fill the jars. Final stage, packaging and distribution. Fermented pickles are carefully packaged with special packaging machines and sent to all over the world. First, we move towards a huge bread oven. Thousands of fresh breads are baked here every day. Bread dough is prepared in giant mixers and then shaped and sent to ovens. As the bread passes through the cooling tunnel, it comes to giant slicing machines. In the final stage, the sandwiches are packaged and ready to be transported. We will talk about the production process of baby food. Making baby food starts here. By using special formulas and recipes, foods most suitable for the development of babies are prepared. After the mixing process is completed, it is time to cook these nutritious foods. When the cooking process is finished, the food is sent to the cooling tunnels. And here you are, those perfect baby foods you see on the shelves. Each jar is carefully prepared for the healthy development of babies. Tons of soybeans come to the factory. These beans are meticulously checked before entering the factory. Clean soybeans are sent to large tanks and soaked there. In the next stage, the soaked soybeans are sent to the grinding machines. After the cooking process is completed, the soy milk goes to the straining process. And there you have it, perfect tofu blocks. Each block is carefully packaged and ready to reach the shelves. This is a huge meat production facility where modern technology is used at the highest level. The cutting and processing process is completely automatic and designed to have minimal human contact. This provides a process that is both hygienic and extremely fast. These giant machines cut animals into pieces with great precision and speed. Everything is done with the meticulousness of a robot. Here we see sections reserved for different types of meat and products. Now, the beef is turned into sausages, while the chicken breasts are sliced to perfection. This is a modern facility that produces food for pets. Our first stop is the section where raw materials are accepted. Here, everything is meticulously controlled and the highest quality ingredients are selected. Now, the raw materials enter the production line, and this is where the magic begins. These giant machines mix and cook the ingredients with great precision. Everything is controlled by automatic systems. The food particles are coated with special sauces, and this makes the food even more delicious. We are sure that our pets will love these foods.